These three young men are the Petko brothers, triplets from the Vinnytsia region. Although their parents are not connected to the military, the boys decided to enroll in a military academy in Lviv to fulfill their dream of serving in Ukraine's Air Force.
No one could tell us apart when we first arrived. Now they say we are all different. The hardest part was getting used to the schedule. Every minute of our day is planned out, and we wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Russia's invasion has made changes to the school's curriculum that now includes first aid training, navigation, demining, tactical paintball, and military English vocabulary.
On top of teaching and training them, we want them to become leaders. When our students become cadets, they take on the role of junior commanders. Our main task is to develop their responsibility and leadership qualities so they can lead others from the start.
Ukraine's military-type schools with intensive military and physical training for students aged 13 to 17 were inherited from Soviet times. Back then, the schools were primarily designed to re-educate unruly boys. Today, most have been transformed into elite educational centers that are hard to get into and take pride in their military-style training elements.
Привіт! Давай знайомитись. Що, не схоже на звичайну школу?
Kruta Heroes presents itself as cool school for all prospective students. Starting in September, the Lyceum will start admitting female students for the first time in the institution's 32-year history.
Цього року у нас нововведення. Ой, що то буде?
То все буде нормально.
Нормально? Та все буде круто.
Prospective students get a chance to try their hand at computer simulators, drones, and esports.
The many games we have recreate historical events of the First or Second World Wars, all in connection to the UK, France, America, or Germany. But now we have a game about Ukraine. We have also created simulators that we have uploaded to Steam that are now accessible to everyone. The educational approach from 10 years ago no longer works. We need something new.
Over 2,000 young men graduate from Ukraine's 26 military schools every year. Most of them will form the backbone of the young officer corps of the armed forces of Ukraine. The Petko triplets, Bogdan, Roman and Pavlo, were among the 139 alumni of the Kruta Heroes Lviv Academy this June. Melyan Oshchudlyak for VOA News, Lviv, Ukraine.